Hello dear students. Today in this video we will solve sample paper of English for class 7. There are 40 questions in the question paper. Each question carries 1 mark. All the questions are compulsory. So section A, reading skills. Part 1, study the given passage and answer the questions that follow. Jellyfish are not really fish. They have no heart, no brain, no kidney, no lungs or gills, no blood. None of the organs we think are needed to live. They have a mouth, tentacles, and tissues which digest food. Tentacles are body parts which are used by animals to feel, catch a prey, or move. Jellyfish live in the sea and are found in all the oceans. Some jellyfish live in fresh water. Jellyfish are mostly made up of water and their inside parts are held in place by a thin layer of skin. Jellyfish look like umbrellas. A group of jellyfish is called a bloom, swarm, or smack. Jellyfish eat planktons. Some sea turtles eat jellyfish. So question number 1, why jellyfish is not real fish? Option A, they have no brain. Option B, they have no heart. Option C, they have no kidney. Or option D, all of these. So option D, all of these is the right answer. Question number 2. Which body part is used by jellyfish to feel and catch the prey? Option A, mouth. B, tentacles. Option C, tissues. Or option D, none of these. The right answer is option B, tentacles. Question number 3. The appearance of the jellyfish is compared with dash. Option A, umbrella. B, bowl. C, human head. Or D, none of these. Option A, umbrella is the right answer. Question number 4. A group of jellyfish is called dash. Option A, bloom. B, swarm. Option C, smack. Or D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. Part 2. Read the following conversation carefully and answer the questions that follow. Now, this conversation is between agent and passenger. Agent: good afternoon. Where are you flying to? Passenger: good afternoon. I'm flying to Canada. Agent: do you have your tickets? Passenger: here is my ticket. Agent: how many people are traveling? Passenger: it's my son and I. He is under 2 years old. Agent: can I have your passports? And I will need to see his birth certificate to prove that he is under 2 years of age. Passenger: sure, here they are. Agent: would you like a window or an aisle seat? Passenger: I would be very happy if we can get an aisle seat. I may have to walk him around if he gets bored. Agent: sure. Are you checking in any bags? Passenger: yes, this suitcase and my backpack. Agent: let's put them on the scale one at a time, please. Passenger: okay, thank you for your help. Have a good day. Agent: thank you. Have a nice flight. Question number 5. Where is the passenger flying? Option A, Canada. B, India. C, America. Or D, none of these. Option A, Canada is the right answer. What is the age of the passenger's son? Option A, under 4 years. B, 2 years. Or option C, under 2 years. Or option D, 4 years. Option C, under 2 years is the right answer. Question number 7. Which seat is more facilitating to the passenger? A, window seat. B, aisle seat. C, both A and B. Or option D, none of these. Option B, I'll see it, is the right answer. Question number 8. Where does the agent ask to put the luggage? A. On the board, B. On the table, C. On the scale, or option D. None of these. Option C. On the scale is the right answer. Coming to section B, literature part. Question number 9. Where did the farmer and his neighbor go to solve the issue? A. In the court of Krishna Rai, B. In the court of King Krishna Dev Rai, option C. In the house of the neighbor, or D. In the room of Krishna Rai. Option B. In the court of King Krishna Dev Rai is the right answer. Question number 10. Why were ponds and lakes frozen? A. Because it was winter time. B. There was a mystery in it. C. Both A and B, or D. Neither A nor B. Option A. Because it was winter time. Question number 11. Who had taught kindness to the lady? A. A glass of milk. A option, her aunt. B. Her father. C. Her mother, or D. No one. Option C. Her mother is the right answer. Question number 12. What were the total charges of the bill? A glass of milk. Option A. 2,250 years. B. $2,250. Option C. 2,250 pounds, or option D. 2,250 euros. Option C. 2,250 pounds is the right answer. Question number 13. What happens to the body in the death zone? Mountaineers. Option A. Body begins to die due to lack of oxygen. B. Body begins to die due to lack of carbon dioxide. Option C. Body begins to shiver due to cold. Or D. None of these. The right answer is option A. Body begins to die due to lack of oxygen. Question number 14. Who was the first Indian to climb Everest? A. Tenzing Norgay, or B. Edmund Hillary, or C. Sarabjit Chima, or D. Captain Avatar Singh Chima. So option D, Captain Avatar Singh Chima is the correct answer. Part 4. Choose the correct meaning of the given words. Question number 15. What is the meaning of the word trek? Option A. Paidal Yatra is the right answer. Question number 16. What is the meaning of the word doe? Option C. Hirni is the right answer. Coming to part 5, choose the correct option. Question number 17. Who said these words to whom? O Brahmin, you have cheated me. Birbal's Khichdi. Option A. Akbar to Brahmin. B. Birbal to Brahmin. C. Man to Brahmin, or D. None of these. Option A. Akbar to Brahmin is the correct answer. Question number 18. How could you stand in the frozen pond in such an extreme temperature? A. Brahmin to Birbal. B. Akbar to Brahmin. C. Akbar to Birbal, or D. Birbal to Brahmin. Option B. Akbar to Brahmin is the right answer. Part 6. Read the given stanza and answer the following questions. He gathered some nuts and fed the deer, and he felt the deer's lack of fear. He smiled a great big smile. He stayed with the deer for a while, and he went home feeling great, the hunter and the deer. So question number 19. How did he feed the deer? A. By collecting some nuts and fed the deer. B. By giving some snacks. C. By collecting some almonds, or D. By giving some green grass. Option A. By collecting some nuts and fed the deer. Question number 20. Why did he smile a big smile? Option A. To see the fawn's cuteness. B. To see the buck alive. C. To see the fawn alive, or D. To see the buck without fear. Option D is the right answer. to see the bug without fear. Part 7. Choose the correct answer. Question number 21. What do the trains carry? A. Passengers only. B. Passengers and mail. C. Material and mail. Or D. None of these. Option B. Passengers and mail. Question number 22. What are freight cars? Option A. Four-wheeler. Option B. Three-wheeler. Option C. Railway wagons. Or option D. None of the above. Option C. Railway wagons is the correct answer. Question number 23. Insert instead of in the following sentence wherever needed. I want to buy Samsung mobile Apple. A. I want instead to buy Samsung mobile Apple. B. I want to buy instead Samsung mobile Apple. C. I want to buy Samsung mobile instead of Apple. Or D. I want to buy Samsung instead mobile Apple. Option C. I want to buy Samsung mobile instead of Apple is the right answer. Question number 24. Which suffix is used in the word reversible? Option B. IBL is the right answer. Coming to section C, grammar and writing part. Part 8. Choose the correct translation of the following sentences. Question number 25. Why do you come late? Option A. तुसी देरी नाल क्यों आंदे हो? आप देर से क्यों आते हो? Question number 26. Where is she going? Option A. ओहो किथे जा रही है? वह कहाँ जा रही है is the right answer. Question number 27. पंछी उड़ नहीं रहे सन. पंछी नहीं उड़ रहे थे. The birds were not flying. Option B is the right answer. Question number 28. कि मैं पानी पीता? क्या मैंने पानी पिया? Option A. Did I drink water is the right answer. Coming to part 9th. Do as directed. Question number 29. Select the collective noun for a group of puppies. Option A. An army. B. A litter. Option C. A deck. Or D. A pack. Option B. A litter is the right answer. Question number 30. Fill in the blank with suitable conjunction. I asked for directions. Dash. I was lost. Option A. Yet. B. So. C. Because. Or D. Although. Option C. Because is the right answer. Question number 31. Fill in the blank with suitable adverb. Where do you dash go on vacation every year? A. Ever. B. Never. C. Usually. D. Before. Option C. Usually is the right answer. Question number 32. Fill in the blank with appropriate degree of adjectives. Australia is the dash island in the world. A. Larger. B. More large. C. Large. D. Largest. Option D. Largest is the correct answer. Question number 33. Use the correct degree of comparison in the given sentence. The fish I caught is dash than the one you caught. A. Big. B. Bigger. C. Biggest. Or D. Bigest. Option B. Bigger is the correct answer. Question number 34. Fill in the blank with a suitable determiner. We need dash bananas. A. Some. B. Any. C. Few. D. Much. A. Some is the right answer. Question number 35. Fill in the blank with suitable pronoun. Are you okay? Can I help dash? A. Me. B. Them. C. Her. Or D. You. Option D. You is the correct answer. Coming to part 10th. Choose the correct option. Choose the suitable title of the paragraph. I live in dash. This is my native place. My father does his business here. We have a big house in dash. It is a very beautiful city. There is a big market in our city. All facilities are available here. There are many educational institutions too. There is a park nearby my house. I like my city very much. Option A, my city. B, my school. C, my house. D, none of these. Option A, my city is the right answer. Question number 37. What is nearby my house? A, school. B, park. C, market. Or D, none of these. Option B, park is the right answer. Question number 38. You have to write an application to the principal for full fee concession. Answer the given questions accordingly. What will you write in the beginning of the body of the application? A, I am ill. B, my father is a poor man. C, she is my cousin. D, none of these. Option B, my father is a poor man. Question number 39. How would you conclude the application? Option A, yours lovingly. B, yours obediently. C, yours friend. Or D, none of these. Option B, yours obediently is the right answer. Question number 40. What will be the heading of a notice of science exhibition on 15th of next month in your school to make and display science projects? A, science exhibition. B, science projects. C, display models. D, none of these. Option A, science exhibition is the correct answer. So that's all for today. All the best for your term 1 exam. Thank you.